Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox shift lock not working. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The shift lock mode in Roblox is one of the features that lets players enjoy playing the game from a third-person camera viewpoint when pressing the shift button on their keyboard. If you're going through the shift lock not working issue, then you can simply go ahead and open up a game you are playing on your Roblox account. And once you're inside your game, go to the upper left-hand corner and click on this Roblox logo and click settings from the options. Make sure to find this shift lock switch, which is available in most of the games out there. If you don't find the shift lock switch, then you must understand that it was not set by the developers. Toggle on the switch where it says shift lock switch and make sure that this button is turned on in order to enable shift lock on Roblox. Both the keyboards and mouse supports the shift lock feature. You can also adjust the camera mode on your Roblox. From the same settings menu, after you open up a game, go ahead and open up a game and get to the Roblox icon at the top left and open up the settings menu. And from the settings menu, go and find the camera mode option and set it to classic. Once you've done that, the next thing to do is to make sure that you've updated the Roblox game you are trying to play. In order to find that, go to the main home page, and once you make all of these changes, you might be able to fix shift lock not working on your Roblox while playing a Roblox game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.